everybody, it's Alicia Mick here, your independent Scentsy consultant in Cypress, Texas. So today I wanted to take the chance to talk to you guys about the amazing new summer collection that Scentsy has dropped. You guys, so there's 3 new scents and they are available in wax, room sprays, scent circles, bath bombs, laundry sets, and lotion and soap sets. Okay, you guys, this is amazing. They also have a brand new Orca Buddy, a new Buddy bikini set, which is super duper cute, and new oil set. Okay, there's a new warmer Beach Bungalow and a new mini warmer Fab Flamingo. You guys, okay, so let's run through the scents really quickly. The first one is Life is Swell. So this is totally, you are sitting in a beach house, windows and door open, that cool summer breeze coming through. You can smell the salt air. It's just amazing. The suntan lotion, everything about the beach, okay? This is gonna take you there. So here's the official description. More than a feeling. Marine waters, mandarin, and driftwood will have the sand tickling your toes. You guys, it feels exactly like you're on the beach. You are gonna love Life is Swell. Okay, the next scent is Beach Daisy. Okay, Beach Daisy is, you're at the beach, you're like, you've got your bowl of fresh fruit, you're in the sun, it's just nice, sweet, clean, cool loveliness, okay? So the official description of Beach Daisy: honeydew melon, wild daisies, and green apple make a bouquet of fresh picked paradise. So right now, my favorite product in Beach Daisy is the hand soap and lotion sets. These are perfect for like your kitchen, your guest bathroom. It's just a nice, sweet summer scent, okay? So the last scent is Pink Promenade. If you are a fan of Dazzling Pomegranate or Blackcurrant Bubbly or the Berry Cosmo Boogie that we had in the brick, you are gonna love Pink Promenade, okay? It's like they capture that effervescence. I'm not sure how they do it, but somehow they capture the smell of bubbles, you guys. It's just this very decadent goodness, okay? Official description: pretty with swagger to spare. Pink Promenade, Prosecco, and Wild Raspberry were born to be wild. So right now, my favorite product in the Pink Promenade is our bath bombs. If you have not tried our bath bombs, you guys, you are missing out, okay? These things are amazing. I was not a bath taker before these guys, okay? So it's frothy and moisturizing, and it leaves the whole room's connecting, everything smelling amazing. It leaves your skin smelling amazing and soft, and just Pink Promenade bath bomb is legit awesome, okay? So you definitely want to check this out. We also have a 3-pack of oils. Usually with the summer collection, the holiday collection, the harvest collections, they always do a set of oils. These are always the first thing to sell out, okay? So we've got Moss Margaritas, which is just lime sugar goodness. Sunshine and Seashells, which again is going to take you right back to the beach. I had it going in the diffuser the other day, and it was just the sand and the sun. It was amazing. And then the last one is Peach Paradise. So that is total peach, total strong, fresh, sweet peach. Okay, so if you're a peach lover, it's for you. So this is a great opportunity to try out our oils and get a set with a variety. It's really nice. So if you guys have any questions about the summer collection at all, please reach out to me. I know you're gonna love everything. I just know you are. I don't have a favorite in this collection. All the scents just smell so good. They really knocked it out of the park this summer. So if there's anything I can ever do to help you, just let me know. All right, have a great summer, guys. Bye.